Nobody saw that cop on live stream stop me. Did you see that cop on live stream pull up on me?
I seen that.
Did you see it?
I seen it right here, man. It was coming out.
You know why I didn't stop? Because I do not consent to his service.
There he is.
I do not consent to his service.
There's another one. Look back down.
So we got the cops right here, right? If I keep going, I'll lose service. If I keep going, I'll lose service. Right now I'm on Wi-Fi service, so yeah. You want a contract with me? You want a contract with me? Contract, yeah. I don't consent with your service. I don't consent to your service. I know I am. You're free to go too. I know you are. Hop in your fucking car because you're impeding traffic. Your magical lights don't give you fucking exclusion or assumption that you can block traffic. I know I'm right. Goddamn right I'm right. Your magical lights don't fucking exclude you.
They do,
by law. By law. Your statutory law? Yeah, your statutory law. Get it right. Your statutory law. Your statutory rules and regulations. Your statutory rules and regulations. Statutory rules and regulations. 4 of them coming up. Statutory rules and regulations. Statutory. Created by the fucking legislature. All people, not persons, people, by nature are free and have the right to certain inalienable rights. Do you acknowledge that? Do you acknowledge it, certain inalienable rights? Certain inalienable rights? Look, my hands on my chest. I don't consent to your service. Fuck 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 your service. Your service does not apply to me. Fuck your service. I am not a lawful permanent resident. Fuck your service. That's right. Kick rocks. Fuck your service. Fuck your service. I don't want your service that comes in the mail with a contract that I agreed to consent to. Fuck your service. Fuck you. Ricky Monday, motherfucker. Ricky fucking Monday. I do not consent to your service. I do not want your service. Your service. Yeah. It's fucking Ricky Monday, man. I tell you how it's done. I don't want your fucking service. What's up, everybody? I'm here in person to tell you that the service that is offered by the Loveland PD is not fucking accepted by me as a whole human being, Ricky Monday. I do not accept your fucking contract, and I do not accept your fucking service. Fuck your service. Fuck your service. Then I tell you, touch me. They cannot touch me. They can touch you because you don't understand where I'm coming from. Yeah, love them. Yeah, obviously, they like to circle this block up ahead, and they like to fucking target in citizens, and they fucking like to fucking prescribe, just like he's sitting over here right now. Just like this. Just like this. Look. 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 Hey, your civil service is not to my real estate. Your service does not help me whatsoever. Your service is contradicting to the Fourth Amendment of the United States Constitution. Fuck you, and fuck the United States Constitution. Fuck the United States. Fuck you. You motherfuckers are tyrants running around perpetrating the act like you serve a motherfucking official service to the general public, which in fact, you serve no fucking monetary fucking repossession. That's the only thing you fucking service. Monetary repossession. Monetary repossession. That's the only thing you service. Look at him. Shining a light in my face because he don't want to be seen. He don't want to be seen. Fuck you and your service. Fuck your service. Get off private property. Fuck you. The service. What is the service? The service is that you consent to receive in the mail that subjects you to their authority. But I do not consent to receive your service in subjection to your authority. I do, however, am a human being, and I have certain inalienable rights that cannot be fucking subjected to your jurisdiction. Fuck you. I'm the motherfucking boss around here.
Looks like it. Totally in control.
I'm the fucking boss.
Do you pay your child support? Still cashing checks at a check cashing place?
I'm the boss. I'm the fucking ruler. I'm the fucking king. I do not fucking subject myself to your fucking authority. You're goddamn right. That's a fucking true statement. I'm the motherfucking boss. I make my own fucking rules and regulations. I make my own fucking standards. And you know what? I'm not even in Los Angeles. I'm in fucking Loveland, Colorado. And you know what? I do not subject myself to your fucking position of authority. Fuck you. As a United States nationalist, I do not consent.
A sovereign citizen?
The government derives itself
The
at the
government.
consent of the governed.
The government. The government.
I fucking do not consent myself. No matter.
Nice internet connection there, guy.
I, as a human being, have the right to fucking present myself.
Okay,
And
sovereign
if you do
citizen.
not understand the fucking position that I just fucking spoke to you, you do not understand where the fuck I'm coming from.
That'll show him.
You cannot have a fucking clue where I stand.
Stand on a pile of glass in Loveland, Colorado.
With that shit, I salute every fucking single one of you that want to understand where I'm coming from. I salute you as an American. I salute you as a United States national. I salute you. I salute you. I salute you to stand free by nature. All people are free and have inalienable rights.
Except for Asians,
Those inalienable rights cannot be
Latinos,
fucking conjured
homosexuals,
by the fucking police department that act like they fucking
blacks.
rule the world. You rule the world. You rule your position of own fucking authority. You own your own position. You need to stand up for your God and say, you know what? Fuck United States.
What? You salute
Fuck
Americans, but fuck United States. Literally makes no sense. So that's his potato cam. That's not my connection. I have terabyte connection, so. Oh wow. Where do you even begin to, like, how embarrassing? And this is Tricky Tuesday's fucking, not his first epic meltdown. Dude literally is just a drunk idiot spouting off shit he doesn't know what he's talking about. Another organized criminal gang member of Tom Zebra, and it looks like it's gonna hang. Looks like he's there to break Eric Brandt out of prison. Fuck Eric Brandt. Happy fuck Eric Brandt Day. Every day is happy fuck Eric Brandt Day. Fucking tweakers gotta stick together.
You can roll up your window, bitch, but that doesn't make you protected from me.
Keep the heads ringing.
You guys ain't shit. You need to get a life.
Look who's fucking not got a life. Staring at parked cars
Get a
for
life,
an
you
hour.
fucking losers. Get a fucking life.
50-year-old boomer staring at police cars for 50 minutes.